Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to freeze ginger. So let's get started. I've got here some fresh ginger. You will also need a freezer bag, a sharp knife, a teaspoon and a chopping board. Use the back of a spoon to peel the ginger. Rinse it and dry it well and cut it into small pieces. I finished cutting up all my ginger. Put them in freezer bags or snap bags and seal it properly. And you can freeze them for up to 6 months. To use your frozen ginger, take the required amount out of the freezer, rinse them and grate them using a grater with small holes. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.